Welcome back to my channel. I feel like it's been such a long time since I did a video for you guys. I'm sorry, I just had to get back my creative juices. So I'm here now, and Happy New Year for those of you that haven't seen me this year. I was really inspired by the Black Panther movie, which I saw a couple of days ago. I feel like that movie was just vibes, from the makeup looks to the jewelry to the styling. I know, I'm sorry, I'm such a makeup girl because that's all I kept looking at the whole time. So I thought to bring you guys this makeup tutorial kind of inspired by the Black Panther movie. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. It's very easy, super quick, even if I struggled a couple of times to get this head wrap on my head. So do not forget to subscribe below, thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you like my new background. I'm at my makeup studio. So if you want to see how I created this look, then you want to keep watching.
Hi guys, so now I'm just going in with the MAC Prep and Prime oil, and I'm just going to buff that into my skin using my fingers, slightly massaging it into my skin. Quickly moving on to foundation, I'm using Giorgio Armani foundation all over my face, and this is in the shade 11.5. I'm just going to use a damp beauty blender, and this beauty blender is from Fenty, which I really love. I'm just buffing that into my skin for a clean, flawless coverage. Going in with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, this is the shade Deep. I'm just using this as my highlight color. And now I'm going to blend that in using the same beauty blender. Now I'm going to bake slightly using the Sacha Buttercup to the areas where I already highlighted. If you want to see how I bake, you can watch my other videos. Time for my eyeshadow. I'm just placing in the NYX eyeshadow base all over my lid. Using the Juvia Magic Palette, I'll be using this orange shade as my transition color. I'm just going to apply that into my crease using the MAC blending brush. Now, using this bronzy shade in the Fenty Beauty Galaxy palette, I'll be applying this all over my eyelid, and I'm just going very light on this shade because I'll still be using another color over my eyelid. Now I'm going in with the same eyeshadow base. I'm just going to put that right in the middle because I'll be creating a 3D eye. Going in with the Fenty palette, I'll be using this golden shade in the middle of my eyelids just for it to pop. I'll also do my lashes off camera, and I'm using the eyelashes from Rain Cosmetics. Now I'll be massaging the same Mellow Mills Gleam Body Radiant and applying it to the areas that I want to highlight using my beauty blender. And this step just goes before I go over it with a powder highlight because I'm obsessed with highlighter. You guys know this. Using one of my favorite highlighters, Anastasia Beverly Hills Sun Dipped Glow Kit, I'll be highlighting my face. There is never too much highlight. Now I'll be using the LA Girl pencil in shade White. I'm just going to use that to open up my eyes before going in with mascara on my lashes. And this mascara is from Ico. I'll be lining my eyes with my favorite eyeliner from Inglot, and this is number 77. I'm just extending my inner tear duct and just trying to make it as sharp as possible. Now I'll be using this e.l.f. lip stain. It's just a brown lip stain and the shade has cleaned off. I'm just going to apply that all over my lips and let it dry. Voila, and I am done. So this is a look, but nah. Welcome to the real Wakanda tutorial. So I'll be using the NYX eyeshadow base, and this is just a white base. I'll be using this and a pointed brush, taking off the excesses on at the back of my hand. And now I'll be creating dots, just tracing and following the shape of my eyebrows. My eyebrows is going to serve as a guide. I'm just going to place those dots right on top of my eyebrows. I'm just going to create this line on my lip and then 3 lines across the bridge of my nose. This is a very easy tutorial, guys, and you can totally rock this for any festival, Afropunk festival or any festival that you like. I struggled getting a straight line on my forehead, so I really had to do this off camera, but I'm just going to do a straight line on my forehead. And that is my Wakanda inspired look. Shout out to all the black, strong, beautiful women in Black Panther that inspired me to do this look. I hope you're inspired by this film as well, to be black, to be African, and to be proud of your heritage and who you are. Thank you guys for watching.